my name is Jalen and I'm an interpreter here at Historic Bratonsville. Welcome back for another Time Travel Tuesday, and today we're making sorrel tea. Sorrel is a Caribbean name for hibiscus flowers. The sorrel plant is a low bushy shrub with red stems and calices which comes into season towards the end of the year. Vibrant red dishes like sorrel tea could be part of Juneteenth celebrations. So the ingredients for sorrel or hibiscus tea are 2 cups of dried hibiscus or sorrel flowers, 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon, 6 whole cloves, 1/4 cup of grated orange zest, zest and juice of 1 lemon, 1/3 cup peeled fresh ginger slices cut about 1/4 inch, or you can grate it, sugar, honey, or agave nectar to taste, and then some mint leaves for garnish. The instructions are, so in a large saucepan, you want to bring 2 quarts of water to a boil along with your hibiscus leaves, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, orange zest, and lemon zest over about medium heat. Boil for about 5 minutes, then remove from the heat and add your lemon juice and cover tightly. You'll let it stand for about 2 to 3 days at room temperature. Then you'll strain it and discard of the solids. Sweeten it with your sugar, honey, or agave, and then chill thoroughly and garnish with mint. So we've come to a stopping point with our sorrel tea. We're going to let it chill, sit a little bit longer for about 2 to 3 days. If you'd like to see how our sorrel tea turned out, please come and visit us this Saturday, June 14th for our Juneteenth event. See you there!